In front of me is VIVO Y20s, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at first, just open your browser, tap on the More icon then, and select History. Click on Clear Browsing Data, and you will find here Basic and Advanced options. Under Basic, you've got Browsing History, Cookies and Site Data, and Cached Images and Files. Then you have a few more under Advanced, and these are Saved Passwords, Out of Inform Data, and Site Settings. Smoothly mark those options that you would like to remove, and finally select the time range. So just click here and pick if you would like to remove data from last hour, last 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. I will choose all time, select Clear Data then, and that's it. As you can see, it has been erased, so you just did it. Congrats! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.